Hello friends, welcome to KS 3D Scan Print. Today, we are working on another amazing project. In our new video, we will show you how we scan a donut and create its 3D digital model. Today's topic is a sweet and delicious donut. Now, we will scan this donut and bring it into the digital world. First, we scan our donut with a professional 3D scanner. This process allows us to capture every detail of the donut digitally. By carefully rotating the donut and scanning it from different surfaces, we ensure that the scanner captures more comprehensive data points. This meticulous approach allows us to gather detailed information about the donut's texture, shape, and structure. Consequently, our 3D model becomes much more realistic, accurately reflecting the intricate details of the donut. This also results in a smoother and more refined surface, making the digital model highly precise and visually appealing. After the scanning process is complete, we convert the obtained data into a 3D model using special software. In this process, the texture and shape of the donut are accurately digitized. And here is the result. On one side, the donut in its natural form, and on the other, its digital 3D model. This way, we can examine the donut from every angle and use it in our digital projects. We have reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this process. If you want to use the 3D model of this donut, like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will share this product with you in the next video. You can easily use this high-quality model in your 3D visuals and 3D printing. Also, if you have any suggestions for what our next model should be, please let us know in the comments. We are looking forward to your thoughts and questions in the comments.